In the Young's double-slit experiment, the intensity of light at a point on the screen where the path difference is lambda, that is k. Lambda being the wavelength of light used, the intensity at a point where the path difference is lambda by 4 will be what? Then what is the k value we need to find here? Okay. We know here that the intensity at any point on the screen that is given by I is equal to 4 times I naught into cos square pi divided by 2, where I naught is the intensity of either wave and 5 is the phase difference between the waves. Then the path difference 5. Pi we can write it as 2 pi divided by lambda into the path difference. Then when path difference is lambda, then phi is equal to 2 times pi divided by lambda into lambda. This will get cancelled. That is 2 times pi. Phi is equal to 2 pi. Then, therefore, I is equal to, then I can substitute the value 4 times I naught into cos square. 5 is nothing but 2 pi divided by 2. Then it will get cancelled. Then we get the answer. That is, I is equal to 4 naught 4 into I naught into cos square pi only will get the value. This is I value. Then we can write this one as 4 into I naught, which is equal to k. Then when the path difference is lambda by 4, then 5 is equal to 2 pi divided by lambda into lambda by 4. Then if I'm going to get cancelled this one, that is pi by 2. Then if I'm going to substitute this one in the intensity of the point, then I is equal to 4 times I naught into cos square pi by 4, that is equal to 2 into I naught. Then we know that I is equal, that is a 4 naught, at 4 into I naught is equal to k, then 2 into I naught is equal to, then it is k by 2. Then this is the right answer. Option C is the right answer.